So today is, I know it's Saturday. Alright, Saturday the 5th of April. It's currently 6:09 p.m. We need to make a quick run to U-Haul because we need to get some extra large and large boxes. They close at 7 p.m. but first I need to stop at the mailbox to grab the holder for my dash cam. I don't know if the other one broke, but it keeps falling off of the windscreen every time I'm driving. And I don't know if it fell whilst I was out of the country and hit the dashboard, and it has a crack from the suction cup mount, where the suction cup mount pushes in and it tightens to hold it on the windscreen. So I ordered a new one on Amazon. I'm gonna collect it from the mailbox, try that out, stick it back on the windscreen because that is very important. That's what actually saved me from my last accident in Miami. Mailbox, U-Haul, and then come back home, prep something to eat, and continue packing. Last night I was working on the bedroom. I worked on the living room a bit. As you can probably see, shelf is scrapped down a bit. No books on the TV stand. So I want to continue. I want to keep the pace going because we're going well. And yeah, just get that done and over with. Good, everything set. Lights off. Keys in pocket. Phone in pocket. And some lights. So came in the car, of course, usual thing, it fell off the windscreen, casually laying there. So I'm going to now unbox this one. Well, first of all, turn on the AC, crack the glass a little bit. And it's still good on time to box this. Right, I got $20 for this shit. Suction mount with the GPS module, most important. Really don't want to how to do all of this. We don't need this. All we need is this. So now the dash cam should not be falling off of the windscreen when I am driving. Plug this in. When I get home, I'll just check to make sure the GPS component is working. Yeah, this is broken for sure. Goes up on the windscreen like this. Camera hangs here. Oh god. Well, if it wasn't broken before, now it definitely broken. Turn it this way to tighten. But there was still a little play in here. And then if you look inside there, you can see there's a kind of crack. The next stop now is U-Haul. We have a half an hour to get there. Takes us 12 minutes, so we're on time. It's 6:40. The lady was quite nice actually. I told her I purchased this and it didn't come with the boxes. So she just pulled it out from the back and gave me it, and I was like, you know, I told her, do you need to see a receipt or something? She's like, no, I trust you, but I appreciate it. Let me see what else I need here. So these are the extra large and these are the large. Let me actually see the large. Okay, so this is the size of the large. I think I'm gonna just take 2 of those. Alright, oops. Alright, so back home we go. Watch out, this door and pop open, eh? Oh, okay, not that bad. I fold it up good now. I've been home about 20 minutes now. Just trying to catch myself. Before I bring up them boxes, I want to put some eggs to boil. And then to eat some boiled egg sausage and toast with a cup of tea.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so now my bed is kind of in a mess. Everything is in a bit of a mess. I actually haven't even slept in my bed for a few days well now, so it's honestly just a mess. It's now 12:26 a.m. Sunday the 6th of April. Time is flying. Okay, I took a break. I had something to eat. I played a little bit of COD. I was actually destroyed in COD for a little while. And now I want to take what I packed last night in these medium-sized boxes and put the bags of the clothes in the extra, or either the large or the extra large boxes, just so I could fit more stuff in it and use those other boxes for something else. I'm going to now switch across to the DJI mics instead, because it being so late, I don't want to have to speak so loud. I even have my Phantom case with all my equipment. All my stuff is literally in a shoebox right now. First time I'm actually connecting myself and using this on myself. So let's bring those boxes up, let's tape it together, and let's get packing before the time just keeps
Hey yo, my flow non-binary, that mean it never miss. Feeling meticulous, I'm ready to get with this ridiculous vehicular sound. That means that I'm driven illest around. Yeah, they know me round the world, but the flow is still underground. Only booze I get on stage is when I sit. It's like MF, most you niggas deaf, that's con 5. Bottom line, I'm top 5, red carpet when I arrive. But most days I'm feeling derealized, that's a medical term for feeling out of your body, like you looking through glass and don't recognize anybody, like you not even real. Anxiety, what I feel, trying to fix the problem, doctors wanna give me a pill. You know I still think I could do it without that. These professionals really doubt that.
I can't zoom in anymore, but that looks so beautiful and like a scene straight out of Dune. Wow, it's going on quickly too. I'll miss everything from the Disney fireworks to, you know, everything from Disney fireworks to that.
Racks on racks on racks, I'm running it back. I come for the stack, I'm getting this money like James Yancey. If I don't get the bread, I get antsy. Pulling triggers like Tom Clancy. Record label better advance me, they can't stand me.
Alright, so again, that's our wrap for tonight. We'll continue later today or tomorrow. This will most likely be part 2 of the series. So yeah, let me go get some rest and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Born to die young, to die of an overdose, die of a gunshot wound, or die of loneliness. This is the fate of so many born into poverty. To make it out of your hood isn't about sporting chains and making millions of dollars. It's about making a difference. It's about making the right decisions and in turn breathing life into a community riddled with death.